Welcome back. The contaminated blood scandal that claimed almost 2,500 lives will be subject to a full statutory inquiry. Downing Street says it'll be held under the responsibility of the Cabinet Office after victims and families complained about the involvement of the Department for Health. For more, I'm joined by Ruth Liptrot now. And Ruth, this has been coming for a long time.
Yeah, it has, and I'm sure a lot of people would be really familiar with this story, actually. Back in the 70s and the 80s, thousands of patients, many of them haemophiliacs, were given a contaminated blood product. Now, it was a clotting agent called Factor VIII, imported from the US, and it turned out to be infected with hepatitis C and HIV. Of those who were given it, 2,400 people went on to die. And while 2,500 people did survive, they've been left with really serious long-term health issues. So
what's happening then with the inquiry?
Well, back in the summer, Theresa May announced the inquiry, and what happened was a lot of campaigners felt very strongly that it would be inappropriate for the Department of Health to lead it if it was under investigation itself. So today they've announced that the Cabinet Office would instead carry out a full statutory inquiry. And I've been talking to one campaigner whose father died as a result of HIV after he received the contaminated blood product.
We certainly welcome the fact that the Department of Health won't be the sponsoring body to the inquiry. I'm glad to see it's gone to the Cabinet Office, but I think we were really expecting the name of the judge who will chair the inquiry to be announced today, and we're very deflated that hasn't happened, and I really hope that that judge will be announced within the next few days so we can get underway with the inquiry.
About the announcement then, but not quite the outcome that they were hoping for.
Ruth, many thanks.